Every single month that we don't deliver, we owe our customers $100. I didn't pay all that money for molds just because I wanted one sample. We need to order the motors.
Is there a package for it?
There. So what do you do with this front thing? Very crazy. Jason speaking. We have been talking about these motors since December. I've been to that factory before December. I got samples from them of their previous motors that they're producing in the thousands. When was the last time you went to their factory? We need to order them. We need to order the motors. Start what we can, commit to them, and I think we'll get a better response from them. Because I don't know if Adrian told you this, but every single month, Adrian, how many skateboards have we got to deliver? Every single month that we don't deliver, we owe our customers $100. So we must deliver products. We must increase our batch size in August, and we must act now to make it happen. But it's not if we don't make decisions. We can't. I mean, there's always going to be doubt. There's always going to be risk. There's always going to be moments where we aren't certain whether we can proceed. But unfortunately, we don't have the luxury. We unfortunately have to proceed. Otherwise, time goes by and we lose time that we can't get back.
Hello. I don't know if you're aware, but Upwork's actually down at the moment. So basically, we're called Inertian Boards. We make electric skateboards. So we basically sell everything online. We don't have a storefront or anything. We ship our product directly from our warehouse in China. Basically, we're looking for a Facebook and AdWords specialist, like a strategy specialist, and someone who can kind of monitor, at the very least, assist in monitoring our ad campaigns. Because we have some audiences. We do know a fair bit about our target audience. I think we want to kind of give it a go ourselves, at least for the first campaign, and just see how we go, and then get somebody in to kind of help us optimize it and make sure that we're kind of heading in the right direction. Oh yeah, my glasses fit in here. One of these looks a bit brighter than the other one. You see that? That's good.